Here's how to properly use a blood pressure monitor to get the most accurate and best results possible. Now, the very first thing you're going to want to do when you actually take it out of the box, you can see it comes with two things. It comes with the cuff as well as the screen. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is for the screen, you're going to want to flip it over and get 3 AA batteries and just put them in the back. Now, some of these screens actually do plug into walls and are not just powered by battery. But once you've done that, you're simply going to want to take your cuff now and take the cable on the cuff basically and just plug it into the side of your screen or the monitoring device. And once you've actually done this, you want to slip it onto your arm. Now, where it is actually on your arm is it needs to be placed on your upper arm. Now, to make sure there is actually enough room, not too tight or not too loose, you actually want to do the 2-finger rule. What this is you want to be able to fit 2 fingers in between the cuff and your arm, but you don't want to be able to just turn them around or put in 3 to 5 fingers, because that would mean it is actually too loose, or if you can't fit 2 fingers in, it's obviously too tight. Once you've done that, you basically want to be sitting in a chair when you're actually doing this and actually breathing calmly as possible. Sit up straight as possible and basically put your elbow on the table in front of you. This makes sure that your cuff is actually at the level of your heart, so we can get the accurate readings from the waves that your heart's actually sending across your body, so we can actually see the results. When you're doing this, it's very important that you do not laugh or do not talk or just stay very calm as a whole. You don't want to be startled in any way. This can significantly skew over the results. That's why for my next thing, I recommend doing this at least 2 to 3 times and taking the average of your readings or just taking your last reading, just so you can have the most accurate results from these readings out there. Especially if it is your first time doing this, it's good to do it multiple times just for practice and of course accuracy. And how you can actually start or stop it, there's obviously the start or stop button on it, and basically you just want to click that and you can view your results just on the screen, just see your reading results. And if you do want to know what these mean, there's actually a ton of websites or a ton of different blood pressure monitor apps out there that will allow you to actually know what these readings mean, just because I don't know what all of them mean off the top of my head, nor do you probably. But basically, all you need to do is you just breathe calmly, don't talk, laugh, giggle, make any sudden movements, sit up straight, keep it at your heart's level, and be able to fit 2 fingers in between your cuff and your arm, and just breathe calmly for 30 seconds. And that's all you need to do to use this. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like on it down below and subscribing to the channel if you're new. Have a great day.